afternoon. So, it's another random Friday and wala akong pasok for today. But I do have some plans. So, I do have an appointment at 2:30 with Mariko Salon under Miss Mai Sudo. She's the lash technician who's gonna do my lashes for today. So, I'm going to have my lashes done. Specifically, yung lash lift with lash tint. Yan. So, napagawa ko na siya before. This is already my second time. And the reason why I'm coming back kasi gusto ko yung naging effect nung first na lash lift sa akin. As in, bukang-buka yung mata ko. As in, hindi na ako kailangan mag-curler. Hello, good evening. So, it's already 10 o'clock in the evening. And grabe, para akong basang sisiw kasi inabutan ako ng ulan. So, ayun. So, for today, ayun, nagpa-lashes lang ako. And then, if you can see, pakita ko sa inyo. Sorry. Diba? Ang tirik ng pilik mata. Kita nyo ba? Hindi ako. And then after that, nagkita lang kami ni Kate. We went to DFO and I bought some things. Tapos nag-roam lang din kami around Melbourne Central. So I just got a new case from Casetify and you will know kung bakit. Mag-unbox ako later. Magliligo lang ako and then I will unbox for you the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yan. So, dumating na siya kanina before ako umalis for my lashes. So, hindi ko na siya talaga na unbox. So, I'll just unbox it later on. Yan. Maliligo lang ako.